Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at ARM stock, and let's do the price action analysis on this thing. It's been rocketing all-time highs. Will it continue to go higher, or what is the next level? Like, are we gonna go down from here? Can it hit $200 next? Like, what is this thing going to do? So in this video, we'll talk about all of that from the lens of technicals. And before that, I also want to let you know that none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. I'm just sharing my opinion here, nothing more than that. So with that, let's jump right into it. And let's start off with showing you just a little bit into my bots. So this is my day trading bot on ARM. You can see the data on the left-hand side. Things been looking good. I'm happy with its performance. Net profitable over last 30 trades, and we only had 6 red days out of 30. So 24 green profitable days. So yeah, that's the day trading bot, and want to show you the swing bot as well. So swing bot has been giving partial profits already. It's also net profitable over the last 30 trades. And yeah, you can see the last position that we have had. We are still getting partial profits on this, and remaining position is still running. You can see the data on the table on the left side. Anyways, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, let's go to now the analysis as for the technicals. So guys, this is what I have been saying from my last many videos that I have been doing on ARM, from pretty much these pivots as we have been forming into this blue channel down there, that guys, we are just bullish. We are just bullish. Any play that can be taken on ARM is just buy the pullback in this channel with the stop loss on the other side. Just buy the pullback in this channel with the stop loss on the other side. And after this blue box up above 121 and 30 cents, I have been saying this opens up the door and the room for it to continue level by level all the way to 164. That's the possibility, and we did that. And then over here, I said that, yeah, this some red candle stuff is coming at all-time highs, but this is not going to make structure bearish, at least not yet, right? For any weakness we have to see if it breaks 149 and 85 cents. Otherwise, these are just the pullbacks because structure is bullish, and we can just continue higher, and we have been going higher. So any position, if it's taken, let's say if none of the positions were taken down, they were technically, that's what the best place to take positions, but still the trading can be done from anywhere as long as you maintain your stop loss on the structure change. So any pullback in this area was also just a buy with the stop loss or size out position below 149 and 85 cents. But the structure, all in all, from where even it is right now, guys, it's still bullish, all right? Any pullback on ARM now at the point, at the level of 164 is just bullish on this thing. It's making a range of like now almost $18 per day. So give or take, let's say average range of just $13, $200 is a possibility. You know, in next 5 days or a week, it can do that. And the structure is also bullish. So I'm not seeing anything to the downside right now in the structure. As long as we are from where we are, as long as we are above 164, that's the structural support on this, and this thing can just continue higher as long as it maintains that structure. So to talk more about it in depth, like on intraday, can a cool off come, right? What are the things to watch, right? So let's go to the hourly interval here, and let's talk about those things. So from where we are on hourly interval, yes, 164 on the swing overall structure is still the bullish thing. But even on intraday, if any pullback comes to 167 and 58 cents area, and we start to find support there, double bottom, because it's an important intraday level, and most of the times these are the, well, technically these are the levels you have to watch, because this is where price action would develop itself and confirm the direction, right, into the pullback, like confirming a pullback is complete and we are going for the next leg up. So even until then, intraday, as long as we are above 167 and 64 cents, pullbacks are just a buy. If we lose below 167 and 64 cents, I would not short it still. I would watch if it holds 164, because that's another pullback zone, at least a day, intraday, that is a rebound play to the upside. Structure overall is still bullish, as I showed you my bot as well, especially the swing, take partial profits in the extensions, right? And then pullbacks can be tried with the stop loss on the other side if you want to add more, but it's all about size and size up. But all in all, structure is still bullish on this thing. And for a day or two, this can still remain bullish. The pullbacks can still be traded intraday long, as into the pullbacks can become a rebound continuation to the upside, all right? So yeah, it's very bullish, guys. ARM, it's like doing what? 8.63% up the last trading day. Wow. This is magnificent. Now there are some articles, out here like, so I want to talk about a little bit into it, like what's going on with chipmaker ARM holding stock, right? Like, sure, news are just news though, guys, but technicals is what you know. If you have been seeing my videos, if you just focus on technicals, you can trade any stock, right? You don't have to worry about news. But just for the sake of looking at, what's the additional variable catalyst out there, right? Let's see. So ARM shares have gained more than 50% in the last month. We already know that. I have been saying that. Even before it even happened, I have been calling out for 164. ARM architecture is used in 99% of the world's smartphone CPU cores. Apple, one of ARM's major customers, announced robust AI features coming to new iPhone models and iOS updates at its worldwide developers conference last week. ARM shares rose 14%. So iPhone is, using, one of ARM's major customers is Apple, and they are introducing, in their iPhone, all those features. ARM is set to join NASDAQ 100 as well, beginning June 24th, and Bank of America Securities maintained its buy rating and raised the price target on ARM from $150 to $180. According to the data from Benzinga Pro, ARM shares are trading well above the stock's 50 days moving. Well, yeah, that doesn't matter that much. We already did the technicals, but they're just very high. They're just talking very high level, not the depth technicals there. But that doesn't even is the thing. Like, yeah, this is, yeah, they're just saying where it is from 50 days moving. That doesn't matter. Yeah. Well, that was, just one of the articles, and mostly it's regarding the associations with the Apple that they have, right? So, but all in all, guys, look, the structure on this thing is still bullish. Yeah, this is the structure on this is still bullish. I gave you the levels, so yeah. Yeah, one more thing. Even if, let's say, for some reason, let's say in coming days we break 163 and 93 cents, guys, this thing is not going back to 135 or lower. Let's say if we lose 164 whenever that happens and we come down to 149, that's still just a good support on that. I'm seeing a lot of support sitting there. Yeah, so, and this may then just run into some upside still. Yeah, this is very bullish. Your best bet is on ARM to any pullbacks that are got on this, even swing intraday when you see a support forming at these levels with the price action. It's just a buy game. ARM, yeah. Yeah, just a buy game. It's nothing more than that, guys. Simple. It's very simple to trade, actually. Alrighty, well, guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below as well of this video. All right, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.